Microplastics are tiny pieces of plastic. They are smaller than 5 millimeters. That's about the size of a sesame seed. These particles come in various shapes and colors. They are a major threat to our planet. Microplastics are everywhere. We find them in our oceans, rivers, and soil. They are even present in the air we breathe. Sadly, these tiny particles have become a pervasive pollutant. Their size makes them difficult to see and even harder to remove from the environment. These tiny fragments come from larger plastic items. These items break down over time due to sunlight and waves. Microplastics also come from our clothes, tires, and personal care products. They enter our environment through our daily activities. The problem of microplastics is vast and growing. We must understand this issue to address it effectively. It's time to recognize the impact of these tiny particles on our planet. Microplastics originate from various sources. One major source is the breakdown of larger plastic debris. Plastic bottles, bags, and fishing gear fragment into smaller pieces. This process is accelerated by sunlight and wave action. Another significant source is microbeads. These tiny plastic spheres are found in personal care products like face washes and toothpaste. When we use these products, microbeads are washed down the drain and enter our waterways. Synthetic textiles also contribute to microplastic pollution. Every time we wash clothes made of polyester, nylon, or acrylic, tiny fibers shed from the fabric. These fibers, too small to be caught by washing machines' filters, end up in our rivers, lakes, and oceans. The widespread use of single-use plastics exacerbates the problem. Plastic bags, straws, and food packaging often end up in landfills or as litter. These items slowly break down, releasing microplastics into the environment. Microplastics pose a significant threat to human health. They enter our bodies through the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. Once inside our bodies, these tiny particles can accumulate over time. Research shows that microplastics can interact with our organs and tissues. They have been found in human lungs, placentas, and even breast milk. This discovery is concerning, as it highlights the pervasive nature of this pollutant. The chemicals in plastics are also a cause for concern. Some plastics contain harmful additives like phthalates and bisphenol A, BPA, which can leach out and enter our bodies. These chemicals are known endocrine disruptors, meaning they can interfere with our hormones. Furthermore, microplastics can act as vectors for other pollutants. They can absorb and transport harmful chemicals, bacteria, and viruses. When we ingest microplastics, we may also be exposed to these other contaminants, increasing the potential health risks. Addressing the microplastic crisis demands a multifaceted approach. Reducing our reliance on single-use plastics is crucial. We can opt for reusable alternatives like water bottles, shopping bags, and food containers. Improving waste management systems is equally important. Proper waste collection, sorting, and recycling can prevent plastic waste from entering the environment. Investing in advanced wastewater treatment plants can help remove microplastics from our water supply. Furthermore, we need stricter regulations and policies to address microplastic pollution. Bans on microbeads in personal care products have been implemented in some countries. Similar actions are needed to regulate other sources of microplastics, such as synthetic textiles and tire wear. The fight against microplastic pollution requires a collective effort. Governments, industries, and individuals must work together to find innovative solutions. By making conscious choices and supporting sustainable practices, we can create a cleaner and healthier future for ourselves and generations to come.